You see how oily my face is? Hello? I'm out of focus. I just want to show you guys how dark it is right now. Oh, maybe here. That's all you get to. Actually, let me do this. Yeah, that's all you get to see, bro. Also the time. Oh, okay. It's damn. I need a. Oh, it's kind of flipped, but it's it's 5. It's 5. It's 5:22 in the morning. God damn, my nose is oily as fuck. So basically, what I want to do is, because I don't like the state of my keyboard right now, there are a lot of keys that don't work on my keyboard. For example, the D key. Let me just do a typing test real quick. You're gonna have to excuse the activate windows that's gonna be on the bottom right of the screen the whole time. Anyway, I'm gonna lock in. First take, we're gonna do a typing test. Here we go. Oh my. Okay, typing test. Here we go. Oh my. Typing test. Here we go. Oh. Nope. Keep it rolling. Oh god. Right there! It double tapped R! Can you guys see that? I didn't even tap R twice there. It did it by itself. So the actual video, you're probably wondering, like, is what is this guy doing, huh? Like, what's the point? Why am I watching this video? So basically, I was on the toilet taking a deuce, right? And basically, I'm like, oh my god, bro, I'm so sick and tired of my keyboard, bro. I want something new, like real bad. But I also don't want to spend a lot of money. So what's the first thing that comes to mind when you're like, oh, I want something new, but don't want to spend a lot of money? AliExpress. And I'm like, that sounds like a good idea. I'll build a keyboard off of AliExpress. Surely people like haven't done it ever in the history of YouTube. Surely nobody's ever done that ever. So I go on YouTube, I'm like, AliExpress keyboard build, and then I thought I was cooking something. I thought I was cooking something on the toilet. Literally a month ago, this guy, Hippio Tech, did the exact video that I thought of in my brain on the toilet. Ooh. This looks nice. This looks nice. 52 bucks. Add to cart. Now, what switches do I want? When it comes to custom keyboards, there are a lot of switches. Now, I'm not gonna go into the specifics because it's gonna make this video go on for about 5 hours. So I'm just gonna go on YouTube. How many do I need? You know what? Let's buy 90 pieces. Add to cart. Now I want everything for this build to be on AliExpress. Like, I want to buy everything off of AliExpress. Because I'm bougie as hell, let's get this kit. The one set keyboard cleaning toolkit, metal keycap, puller, stem holder with switch. Add to cart. Add to cart. Here we go. I want some lube. Now you're probably wondering, lube? What is this guy doing, bro? Trust me, I watched like a gazillion keyboard videos after I saw that almost like everybody on YouTube that does keyboards for a living has used the exact same setup that I have. And they lube the switches and everything. I'm rambling. Anyway, My cat is going crazy. Hello. Oh, you wanna come up? Oh, hello. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do the rest of the video with the cat. This is Poochie. Poochie. Oh, Poochie. Look at his beans. Look at his little toe beans. Hello, chat. Hello. Make sure you subscribe.